Hello everybody, Enzo here with Porcelain Paver Hardscape. This time we have a 2cm Desert Sand Porcelain Paver. This product has been a top 3 selection among our clients for pool deck applications. It's got a very light tone to it, and homeowners here are very pleased with the work, and more than that, they're happy with the fact that they don't need to apply any sealers or coatings on this material, since this porcelain paver is very non-porous, so it doesn't suffer from mold, moss, and mildew as much as the ordinary brick pavers, travertine pavers, and other natural stones out there. So really, this product's got a 15-year warranty, factory warranty on it, so the homeowner can really, sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful installation. If you'd like to get more information, call me at 941-900-7058. Once again, my name is Enzo, and this is Porcelain Paver Hardscape. Thank you.